Hello everybody, this is Adam from Grow Life. Sometimes I wonder if it's not Shiny Head Productions, but I'm going to do a quick product review for you today. Yep, a little while ago I grabbed a posture corrector. Somebody I knew at work, my boss had one of these, and I'm like, what is that? He's like, oh, that's cool, you put this on and it pulls your shoulders back and helps you correct your posture like within about 14 days. I don't know what the time limit is on as far as how much you wear it, but anyway, today it's the Andego. Let's see if I can get this here for you. Andego. Alright. It's very simple, which is good. I like simple. I mean, here's a picture of what they have. It's just kind of like a little harness, almost like a backpack harness. It goes around the shoulders and underneath, and it has pull ties. Not pull ties, but just you basically pull it and it tightens up. I am a sloucher. Always have been. Unfortunately, I didn't like it. Yeah, I've always wanted to correct that posture, instead of slouching back, and I don't want to be one of those people when I'm 80, like hunched over. Anyway, I have used this a little bit, and you know, in the little bit of time that I've used it, I've actually noticed even when I don't have it on, it mentally I'll straighten myself up. So it's working. Comes with these two little pads. I have no clue what they're for. I don't see them on the instructions. I'm wondering if, Anyway, honest review, right? Okay, so here she is. This is it, man. Just a simple little harness here. All right. And what you do is you put it on just like this, like a backpack. I got this one because it was Amazon, one of Amazon's #1 sellers, bestseller. Hey guys, just wanted to verify. It was not Amazon's bestseller or #1 seller, but it was Amazon's choice. That's what I was trying to say. I mixed it up. I apologize. So this was Amazon's choice. And there's a whole bunch of these types out on Amazon and on the market. Some are bulkier, and this one I think is one of the most lowest profile. Like you could wear this under your shirts. I've thought about wearing it in between. Like sometimes for work I wear 2 layers. Thought about wearing it in between the layers, and it really didn't show up. So anyway, put this on. Just like that. It has these pads right here, so it's not just like a little strap biting into you or anything. And these little tabs, you just pull, pull, until she's nice and snug. And it just helps take this area and just keep tension on it a little bit. Now be careful if you get this and you like wrench on it really bad and you want to slouch, you might literally cut off some circulation and your hands might start getting a little numb, almost like when somebody's doing your blood pressure and you start feeling that. But anyway, all you have to do to release the pressure is there's 2 tabs right here, 1 and 2. You actually just lift up with your thumb, boom, boom. Okay, and that's all it is. And they say, good 14 days. I don't know. I didn't see in here any like length of time as far as if you here 2 soft pads to reduce pressure under your armpits. So you could use those pads, if you don't like this and it doesn't feel right, you could take those pads. It has Velcro on here that you can attach it here, so just nice and easy. Low profile, simple. I think it was anywhere from $16 to $20, something like that. I'll have a link down below for this. I am an Amazon associate, so I mean, if you guys did use that link, I'd get a little bit of commission. It doesn't change the price for you guys. It's the same price, but basically it's just getting through me. It's the doorway to Amazon. So there's a link down below if you want to click on there and take a look, or as well as others. I kind of wanted to get. I was curious about another one because it only works the upper back, you know, and I could feel there's nothing here, and sometimes I would like that, you know, that straighten up that too, but I feel like having this actually helps remind me, just like when you're on a diet or you have your Fitbit or your Apple Watch and you're logging in, you know, how much you drank or how much you ate. It's bringing awareness to what's going on, what you're doing in your life without just mindlessly, you know, going through this day eating that. Well, this too, you know, it's not like whoop, it's going to be 1,000% perfect, but what it does do is it does bring tension back, helps keep that straight, and then it also reminds you to do that. So that like I said, I noticed that even when I did not have it on, I noticed at work that I would actually, you know, work on my posture even without this. But great little tool. If you guys are interested, I think this one is real simple. Put it on like a backpack, tighten this up to feel, you know, to your comfort. These things, sometimes if you tighten it up, they could slouch up there like that. They slide. You can be nice and comfortable there. These are for under the armpits if there's something's bothering you. And there's Velcro. Nice little tool. Nice little tool. And like I said, there's a handful of them out there. This one is Andego, and we'll leave a link down below for you. Anyway, 14 days evolution posture corrector. Oh yeah. One size. Oh, tighten the straps until you feel comfortable. If the posture brace is put on correctly, you will be standing straight and you will be able to freely move your arms. Do not pull the straps too tight. It may worsen blood circulation. Yeah, like I was saying, pull that too tight, it could be pinching off your circulation right here, and you'll know it. You'll feel it. Great little tool. Great little tool. They have ones that go all the way down your back, you know, boom. But then they also have ones as small as this and low profile. I like the low profile. You can wear it under your coat. You can wear it under your suit jacket. Like I said, I tested it out with a very thin shirt as far as in between layers, the thin shirt on the outside. I was quite happy with the profile. It didn't seem to be bulky or in the way. And as you can see, I mean, it's no big bumps and bulges. You know, the biggest part probably would be those little things right there. But boom, boom, just a release, boom. Nice, nice, nice. All right, so I can't get it out because it didn't loosen up enough. All right, beautiful, beautiful. I mean, you can have this anywhere. Some people wear it driving, you know, because you're driving in the car and starting to feel that. But man, it's just a nice reminder to keep that posture straight. Hey, healthy backs means a lot. Keep that posture going. Keep that spine in the right curvature. All right, guys. This is Adam from Grow Life. Check it out. Check the description below. Check you later. And we'll just leave you with a random picture of our cats, Patch and Sassy. Hey, have a good day.